Hey guys, it's Metro, and today we're at the Bear Hair Gap Trail. We're going to be doing a 4.5 mile hike, give or take, up to the gap and back. So let's keep moving. Okay guys, we are here at Vogel State Park on the Bear Hair Gap Trail. Again, it's a little over 4 miles, very nice hike, but as you get into it, you will have to walk up a number of different cottages on the right hand side until you get to the entrance of the trail. But again, as you get into this trail, you will see some connecting points with the Byron Reese Trail as well as the Coosa Backcountry Trail. Let's keep moving. Okay, so this is a state park, so remember, it is $5 to park. This park's actually been in Georgia, the second oldest park in Georgia, established in 1931. All right, so today we are hiking with Phlip 3 and Lolly. Lolly, say hi. Hi. Again, this is a great park. Lots to offer here. As you can see, some running creeks and such. The foliage is awesome. Let's keep moving. Okay, so down here is the Coosa Backcountry Trail, 12 miles for the loop, but we are on the Bear Hair Gap Trail. It's only 3 miles or so, so not going to be doing any type of crazy mileage today. However, my buddy 3 and I, we're going to be hitting up the Appalachian Trail in just a few weeks. We're going to be doing from Unicoi Gap up to Dix Creek Gap, and perhaps maybe even hit the border, depending on how much mileage we get done. So very excited to be out here. Let's keep moving. So for the first half mile or so, it's pretty easy, and then you get into an incline. I think there's just a small overlook that you'll see of Lake Tralia, I believe, at the top. But again, this is a easy, so light trail. Let's keep moving. Wow, it is just straight up. I'm telling you, it just feels like never-ending steps are going straight up. So we've been out here, I don't know, a little over 30 minutes or so, and we haven't seen one person. Now, it probably is because of the weather. As you can see, it's not the most glamorous day, but there's nobody out here on the trail, so light traffic. Awesome. All right, so leveled out for a little bit. Now we're going back up again. So what goes up must come down. But hey, it's all good exercise at the end of the day. I love this rhododendron. It's so awesome out here. This type of foliage, it's just beautiful. Okay, so looks like we're coming up on the overlook here to see Vogel down below. Again, it's pretty much uphill the entire way to this point, and it's just now starting to level out. Let's keep moving. Okay, so again, this is the second oldest state park in Georgia. 3 trails to choose from. 1, the Coosa Backcountry Trail. 2nd, the Bear Hair Gap Trail. And the 3rd is another trail that leads up to Blood Mountain. I believe the trail that leads up to Blood Mountain is a little over 7 miles or so, round trip, and is an alternate in case the Byron Reese Trail is packed, which it commonly is, especially during peak seasons. If you don't come early, you're pretty much not going to find a spot unless you're parking on the road, which you've probably seen in other videos. But again, Vogel State Park provides plenty of parking at $5 per day. Three and I are going to be heading out on the Appalachian Trail, Unicoi Gap to Dix Creek Gap. Going to do an overnighter, and then we'll make a decision if we want to carry on to Dix Creek to the Bly Gap, which is on the border. The further shuttle Appalachian will be the shuttle I will be hiring to pick us up. So Donald, Mary, look forward to seeing you in a couple weeks. Let's keep moving. So Lolly just told me that we're coming up on a rock formation. We're on the backside of the Bear Hair Gap Trail, coming down, a bunch of switchbacks. In a few seconds, we're about to come up to this rock formation. It's pretty magnificent. Okay, so we're coming up on about 4 miles now. Pretty much close to the beginning point of this hike. So if you've never been here to Vogel State Park before, the Bear Hair Gap Trail is definitely one I would recommend. However, limited views, so prepare yourself for that. Otherwise, the foliage, the trees, like I said, the hemlocks, the oak, it's awesome just looking out so you can see a lot further because there's not a lot of pines out here. Let's keep moving. All right, so that's that. We just came back into the main area leading back to the trailhead. So if you found any value in this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and send me your comments as I do respond. As always, thanks for watching, but until next time, let's keep moving.